Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all doing very well. If you haven't yet subscribed, please make sure that you will click that subscribe button. Got lots more videos coming out very soon. But in today's video, I'm back at my cabinet where I've got all of my die-cast model car collections in because I've just had a new arrival come through. I dropped a little hint out yesterday in regards to what it might be. A couple of guesses. It is a AUTOart signature model. It's a very rare model and one that I've kind of had my eye on over the last few months. I've just been waiting for one to come up for the right price and in the right condition. And luckily one did on eBay a couple of weeks ago and I finally went for it. It's a very rare AUTOart model. It's a Le Mans winning 1955 Jaguar D-Type in the very iconic British racing green. With obviously all of the Le Mans stickers on, which I absolutely love. Now the D-Type is such an iconic racing car. It's got that massive fin on the back of the car as well, which again, styling wise, I think it looks absolutely great. And I think it'd be a great addition in my AUTOart collection. Now, many of you guys have been suggesting collecting some FIA cars, some Le Mans cars. And now with the arrival of the D-Type, which I'll show you guys very soon, I've also got my eye on the FIA winning MC12 version that AUTOart made. And they made a couple of racing MC12s by AUTOart signature, which I've got my eye on, and I think could be great additions to add to the collection. But if you guys got any suggestions in terms of AUTOart models that would be a great suggestion to the channel, then please do let me know. But let's get on to the unboxing video of my new arrival, the AUTOart signature Le Mans winning 1955 Jaguar D-Type. guys enjoyed the very quick unboxing video of the Jaguar D-Type. As I say, I did miss the chance of buying this brand new from AUTOart, but as I say, one did come up on eBay, which I went for, which I'm glad I did. It's in very, very good condition. It's a very rare example of the AUTOart signature D-Type. I'll be doing a full review of this model car tomorrow, so please all stay tuned for that. And I hope you guys like the video. Please subscribe. Please let me know any of your thoughts or suggestions in the comments. And I'll see you guys, as I say, tomorrow for the full in-depth review on the very, very rare Jaguar Le Mans winning D-Type. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon for lots more videos to come. Take care.